think about what computers do. You can watch the Weather Channel and you see this hurricane forecast, right? You see this model and it's predicting where this hurricane is going to go. And all of that complicated and complex data that you are generating is really, at its very essence, either a 1 or a 0, because that is how information is passed through cable, through the air, along fiber. It is all either a pulse of electricity or light or not. So 1 0's pulse, not a pulse. It's fascinating to me. Cybersecurity is like a puzzle. It's like, how am I going to react to an intrusion into my network? How am I going to make sure that the data I need to protect is going to stay protected?
You learn about how to keep your computer safe, keep other people's computers safe, learn how to help assist others, you learn how to debug systems, you learn how to get a lot of money, things like that.
Devices are connected to each other through networking. You have to know how to configure the network so that the devices can talk to each other. I think everyone should know cybersecurity skills to know the best way to keep devices safe.
I'd say that the desire to ensure that all your information, your data, anything like that can be protected, there is a way. Finding out what that way is usually the harder part. Making sure that any sort of traffic on a given network for a business, for personal use, anything like that, is going to be as secure as possible. Is kind of why I wanted to get into cyber.
Right now, I am the current president of Pikes Cyber Club. We are very active in trying to teach students as much in cybersecurity as possible. This last spring, we actually ranked top college in Colorado and 3rd best community college in the nation. And that's something we take a lot of pride in.
Cyber Club is really where I got involved the most with competitions, learning more outside of just what a specific class is teaching you.
Computer networking has a lot of computer networking focused classes, so we rely a lot on the Cisco curriculum. We offer a lot of security classes and some operating system classes like for Windows Server and Linux.
I wanted to better learn the infrastructure of our world, our current world today, and how to better defend myself and those around me against cyber threats.
One of the things I wanted to do is take the digital forensics experience and kind of either on my own time or if I can find an organization I can plug in with, wanted to kind of help with human trafficking as well.
So the common stereotype is that it's all gamer guys. We've been involved in WESIS, which is Women in Cybersecurity, and we're working hard to recruit, reach out to underserved populations, in particular female and Hispanic populations, and working with our students in our cyber club to get them interested in cyber early on. By the time you're choosing a college role, it's almost too late to start diversifying that population, and so we're really working with middle and high schools to foster that interest.
It's a lot of fun, but it's not always easy. Find something that you enjoy and it's not hard to